hello, good day. So have you ever been like, oh my gosh, I need to get off the Circle VPN. I want to stay up later. I want to search up websites that I don't have access to. Well, let me show you how to disable the Circle VPN. So you see VPN up there? Yeah, that's basically what it is. So it's a really simple thing. All you have to do is go to settings, and you see the VPN right there. You see it's turned on, and yeah, you don't want it on. You really don't. You gotta turn it off. You just go to VPN down there. Now basically what it does is when you turn it off like that, it doesn't do this for me, but it'll turn right back on. And that's because if you click that, you see it has connect on demand on. Now what you gotta do is simply go into airplane mode, because otherwise it will give whoever is controlling your phone the notification that you are using, that you are on airplane, that you turned it off, which is very not good. So what you gotta do is just go into airplane mode, click the little I dot surrounded by a circle, then click off and on connected on demand. Then you can disable airplane mode, and it's really simple. It's an easy technique. No need to install anything, no need to do anything. And when you turn it back on, you can just turn it back on, turn back on, connect on demand. So yeah, there you go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or anything like that. And if you found this video useful at all or anything like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button, and comment if you have anything else or any questions to say. This is the most easy technique that I know of, and it will probably be for a long time. I don't know about Life 360, how that works, but I know how to do this certainly. So make sure to subscribe, like, and see y'all later. Bye.